very frustrated sa tawag ng referee talaga. I don't care. Kasi okay lang matalo kami sa game. Let the players decide siguro. Let the players decide. So, lagi nangyayari sa amin yan na break up the games ng kasi lagi yung mga referee. So, they should call it kasi lagi na nilang suspended. So, kahit suspended na yung referee. So, ano nangyayari? So, eliminated na kami. So, for me, talagang it was so very frustrated na lagi nangyayari sa amin yan. It always happened to us na the refs always decide the game. So, sorry for that. So, lahat kami frustrated talaga sa kasi nasilanan kami. You can see it twice. Sa layup na CJ, tsaka yung last play. So, kahit i-review nyo, kahit tignan nyo sa video, makikita nila yan. So, frustrated kami kasi natalo kami. Pero, for that, hats up kami sa TNT. Congratulations for that kasi they're playing great talaga. So, sa amin lang, pangit lang yung decisive ng game kasi lalo yung mga nasa loob na naglalaro, ginrain out nila yung lamang kanina, 4 minutes, 10-point lead. So, very frustrating.